Hi everyone, this is Rashi Razdan from AlgoG. So we are introducing TradeSmart API Bridge, which is an algo terminal. So let's move ahead. I hope my voice is clear. Now, before going forward, I would like to tell you that we have curated a free strategies library that are readily available for automation. So you can find strategies like automatic strike calculation and trading based on underlying price, bracket order using chart based stop loss and target, moving average cross strategy, parabolic SAR strategy for MT4, MACD plus stochastic strategy for MT4, and there are 64 other strategies that are readily available for automation, and they are absolutely free. And where you will find them, I will tell you about them in the coming slides. So let's move ahead. Now, how to get started with TSO API Bridge, TradeSmart API Bridge. First, you'll have to subscribe for TradeSmart API Bridge on algoji.com. So, this is algoji.com. You'll have to click on pricing here and go to API Bridge. When you'll go to API Bridge, the page will open up, and here you will find three options. The first is Learner, that is paper trading license, which is absolutely free, so you can try and test API Bridge for free, and you can sign up for it from here. For live trading license for a month, you can sign up from here, and this is the annual membership license. So if you want to sign up for free, then you'll click here, and this registration form will appear. You'll fill this form and submit it, then you will receive your API Bridge trading credentials on your email. After that, let's come back to the slide. Once you have done that, you will receive a download link in your email as well. Download API Bridge link in your email. So right now, I'm going to open it. Open the link directly. So this is the link that you will get in your email. Here, now what we have to do is, we have already subscribed for the license. The next step that we have to do is, we have to download and install API Bridge. For that, we'll go to installation and setup tab here. When you'll click on this, you'll have to click on how do I download and install. After that, click on download API Bridge and download this folder from here. When you will download it, a zip file like this will appear. Then what you'll have to do is, you'll have to extract it, either extract files or extract to API Bridge, and then a folder like this will appear. You'll open the folder, and here in the folder, you'll find API Bridge launcher.exe. You'll double click on it, and your API Bridge will open up. So these are the simple steps to download and install API Bridge. Then you would have received your ID and password in your email. You will put those here in the login ID and password. Click on save login credentials and then click on login, and your API Bridge will open up. So you can see here step-by-step instructions are mentioned, as in how you have to download and install API Bridge. So you can find the instructions here as well. Now this is API Bridge, an algo terminal. So API Bridge acts as a bridge between a charting platform and the TradeSmart trading terminal. So what you'll have to do is you'll connect API Bridge on one end to a charting platform, and on the other end you will connect it with the TradeSmart trading terminal. So I'll tell you how you have to do it. So we have completed the second point here. Now the next step is set up API credentials. So why it is required? Why do we need to set up API credentials? Because we want to connect the algo terminal, that is API Bridge, with TradeSmart trading terminal. So for that, what we'll have to do is we'll go back to the API Bridge and click on application settings on the top. Now here you will click on API and this API credentials will appear. So you can see API key, API secret key, password, redirect URL, user ID, user key. So these are the credentials you have to mention. Now where do you get these credentials from? That is also a question that will come to your mind after seeing this. So I'm going to answer that now. For that, what you'll have to do is you'll click on setup help. When you'll click on setup help, this page will appear, and here you can see step-by-step instructions are given to how to get those credentials. Step 1 says that you'll have to log into TradeSmart web portal, that is swing-tradesmartonline.in. When you'll click on this, you will go to the index and click on App Center. So when you'll click on App Center, you see here I have already created API credentials, but for the new users of API Bridge, you'll have to click on Create New App. And when you'll click on Create New App, you'll get the credentials. Now I'll go back. When you'll get the credentials, you can put those credentials as per the instructions that are mentioned here. In API key, you have to put app ID, API secret key, you have to put app secret key, and so on. Now here is an important note. So the first time users, so if you have created your new app for the first time, you will find a user key there. You will have to copy and paste user key and keep it in a document in your PC, because that will appear only once. The next time you will go to the portal, you will not find the user key. It appears only once. So you will have to save it for future as well. Rest of the credentials will appear whenever you go to the portal, but the user key will not appear again. So you'll have to copy and paste it and keep it in a folder in the first time itself. Now, after completing the step 3, step 4 says that we'll have to click on save. After clicking on save, what we'll do is we'll have to make sure that we have chosen default mode here. So for the ones who have chosen who have subscribed for paper trading license, they will not get these options. But someone who has subscribed for live trading license, as in they can trade live in the market, they will get these options. So you have to choose the default mode here. After choosing the default mode, click on login to API, and you will get this message at the bottom that logged into TradeSmart successfully. So now we have integrated API Bridge with TradeSmart trading portal, and we are ready to trade. Now, now the next thing that we have to do is we have to connect API Bridge with a charting platform. So the charting platforms that we are going to see today are TradingView and MT4. So I'll tell you why TradingView first. So to connect it with TradingView, we'll go to the help button. Help button will redirect us again to the help manual. So this is the help manual of API Bridge. So whatever questions you have regarding API Bridge, you'll find the answers to those questions here. Now I am going to integrate API Bridge with TradingView. To integrate it with TradingView, I'll click on TradingView connection. I'll click on Jumpstart System Trading with TradingView. And here in step 2, you will find a link to click here to add the Chrome extension. So I'll click on the extension. Add extension will appear, and then it will say a pop-up will appear that API Bridge extension has been added to the Chrome. Now we can close this. I'll come to TradingView and I'll open my desirable chart. Now, for example, I have opened SBIN right now. So you see, we see these 4 buttons here. Yes, we see these 4 buttons here, which do not appear in general. So if you are a user of TradingView, you will not find these buttons in general. These 4 buttons appear only when TradingView is integrated with API Bridge. And this also shows that the extension that we added was successful. So what is the utility of these 4 buttons? I'll tell you. LE means long entry. So if you have to buy, you'll click on LE. LX means long exits. If you already have a buy position and you want to exit it, you can click on long exit. For short entry, we'll click on SE, and for short exit, we'll click on SX. So this gives some clarification of the signals that we are sending. In conventional trading platform, we generally find buy and sell buttons, but since this is not a trading platform, this is an algo terminal, so we need to have some clarification in the signals. So these are the 4 buttons that we use to send signal manually. This is not the automation part yet. I'll be showing you automation part in some time, but this is how you can send the signals manually for now. So for example, if I want to send signal in SBIN, I want to buy it on the spot. So my order will not go right now because the market is closed. I'll just click on LE. So let's come back to the API Bridge first. Here, what you'll have to do is you'll have to click Start Trading. So until you have clicked on Start Trading, signals will not be received in API Bridge. So, but 2 things that you have to make sure is, first, the symbol that you see here, the same symbol should be added in API Bridge. So let's add the symbol. In input symbol, you have to add the exact symbol that we see in TradingView. In exchange symbol, you can select SBIN equity or futures or options from the drop down. So I'm selecting equity for now, and then rest of it will get automatically filled, and you can choose your entry order type, you can choose your exit order type, you can select the quantity in 3 ways. There is fixed quantity. If you want to trade in fixed quantity, there is quantity from exposure, and there is quantity from SL. And then we have product types. So you can select product types from here, and after that you'll click on Save Configuration. After clicking on Save Configuration, you'll click on Start Trading. Once you have clicked on Start Trading, you will see a message here that trading started. Now, if I want to send a signal, a buy signal from the chart, I'll click on LE. Just a minute. So the extension has turned red. Okay. So now the extension is available. I'll click on LE. And you can see I received a signal here, and it says it showed a pop-up here that the signal was rejected. So if I come to order history, you can see my order was rejected right now because market is not open, but you can still see how you can send the signals manually. Now, if I wanted to send a sell signal, I wanted to sell SBIN on the spot, I would click on SE, and you can see I got a rejected pop-up here. So this is how you can send signals manually. Now, if I have to set up automation, I'll now show you where you can find free strategies for TradingView that are readily available for automation. You do not have to pay anything for those strategies. If you want to get started with algo trading, you can start it right away. Just subscribe for API Bridge and you will have the strategies. You can choose from a good number of strategies. You can choose your favorite strategy and you can deploy it on the chart. So we have set up the API credentials here. Now sign up with TradingView MT4 or Excel or some other platform if you are using that. And then apply your favorite strategy from mycoder.pro help, which is the help manual. So let's come back to the help manual. We'll go back to the index. Now I'll be showing you where you can find the free strategies. Click on TradingView connection. After clicking on TradingView connections, you will click on FAQs on TradingView Algo Trading. When you will click on here, you will find a list of 46 strategies. So all of these strategies are available for free and they can be readily used for automation. You do not have to pay anything for these strategies. So just select a favorite strategy and optimize it, change the input parameters as per your requirement and just deploy it on the chart. So right now I'm going to show you Super Trend by Kivang Ozy Biljik. Right now SBIN will not move since the market is closed. So I'll deploy this strategy on Silver Micro Futures chart. So I'll deploy the strategy on this chart. This is a 1 minute chart. Now I'll be deploying Super Trend strategy by Kivang Ozy Biljik. This is a strategy from indicators, but the strategies that you see here, these are not automated. The codes written for these strategies are automated codes. So you can see strategy premise for the strategy is given here. The logic for the strategy, how long entry, long exit, short entry, short exit happens, and everything related to the strategy parameters are also given here. So if you are new and you do not know about the strategy, you can read about it here. After that, it says TradingView settings. So here all the settings are given as in how you can deploy the strategy. So first what you have to do is download the PineScript algo here. Copy this code. Go back to the chart. Go to Pine Editor section. And paste it here. Remove the default code and paste the code that we have copied from there to Pine Editor section. After that, click on Save and add it to the chart. So all of these steps are mentioned in this help manual. Step-by-step instructions are given. So you will have something to refer to. After that, now what we'll do is we'll optimize the strategy as per our requirement. So you can see signals are appearing on the chart when as per the strategy, whenever a buy entry or a long entry or a long exit happens, all the signals are there on the chart. Now we'll change the parameters as per our requirement. So right now my requirement is to show you a quicker signal generation. So you change the parameters to 1 accordingly and you change the timings. So between this and this time, only entry signals will appear. and I'll click on OK. So you can see so many signals on the chart are there now because I switched the parameters to the minimum possible so that some quick signals get generated. Now, after that, what you'll have to do is you'll go here, click on add alert on Supertrend. So this step is also mentioned in the manual only. Here it is shown that setting up alert. If you refer to this, you'll find this code here. Copy this code and paste it on the message box and click on create. So whenever you'll do this, your alert will get created. Now, so this is how you deploy a strategy on the chart. You can test and try it in your chart on Monday onwards. Since these are some new strategies for you, and M6 would be a lot of M6 requires a lot of money. So you can deploy these strategies in cash segment in stocks and try all of these strategies. Whichever strategy you like, you can try these strategies, deploy them on the chart and see how the automation works. Now, so this is how you have to do the setup for TradingView. Now we'll shift to MT4. Now we'll shift to MT4. How you can create your setup on MT4. Coming to the slide, we have completed the setup now, and we just discussed some API bridge features. So I have told you the utility of LE, LX, SESX buttons instead of plain buy and sell buttons. Then in API bridge, these are the order management settings. You can manage your orders from here. You can select your entry order type, your exit order type, quantity, product type. So these are the order management settings here. Then there are risk management settings. You can see here max profit, max loss. So and then here some risk management settings are here: max order per minute, max trades per day, max symbol position. These are some risk management settings. You can also choose square of time, entry from and entry to. So between this to this time, your signals will come. There are strategy management settings. You can manage your strategies as well. So for example, if you have more than one strategy, so you can give strategy tags and divide stocks on the basis of the strategies. For example, if you want to put one particular strategy in two stocks or different strategies for different stocks, so you can give the strategy tags. So you can manage the strategy as well. These are some API bridge features. Apart from that, we have some application settings here. In application settings, you will find signal rules. So what is the utility of these signal rules? Signal rules helps you avoid strategy misfire. So if you can read here, it says skip consecutive signals with same values to avoid repetitive order placement. So if you will tick on this, now for example, if you double click on LE by mistake, API bridge will not send your order to the broker terminal, the other one, the second one. After one order, your second order will not get placed. So if you'll click on this, your strategy misfire can be avoided. Then we have these signal rules. You can read all about these features. Just come back to the help manual, and if you want to read about signal rules, just type signal rules here. and you'll find this what are signal rules or signal settings article here. So all the instructions regarding signal rules are written here, and you can see there are some videos on it as well in English and in Hindi, so it will be easier for you to understand. Then we have symbol settings, so you can select which symbols do you want to see on your watch list. So if you want to see currency, type, strike, you just click on them. If you don't want to see them, untick them and click on save. So these are some more settings and more features present here. Now coming to the next slide, Algo setup with TradingView. We have already completed this setup. Sign up for TradingView, connect TradingView with API Bridge, download PineScript, applying TV settings. TV means TradingView. Apply the TradingView settings in chart and alert, and then do the API Bridge settings, and you are good to go for algo trading. Now we'll see how we can set up MT4. Now to set up MT4, I'll be closing TradingView here. I'll close TradingView and I will disable the extension from settings so that my signals from MT4 will not get disrupted. Just disable the setting, disable the extension from here, and now I'll open MetaTrader 4. So this is MetaTrader 4. And here I have opened SBIN chart. I'll switch to Silver Micra. So this is Silver Micra chart, and it's 1 minute chart. Now, right now, MT4 is not integrated with API Bridge. To integrate API Bridge with MT4, what we'll have to do is we'll come back to the help manual. Here, we'll go back to the index, and here we'll click on MT4/MT5 connection. So if you are MT4 user, you'll find the setup instructions in this link, and if you are an MT5 user, you'll find instructions for that as well here. So for MT5 users, follow this link. For MT4 users, click on Jumpstart System Trading with MT4. And you can see step-by-step instructions are given here on how to integrate MT4 with TradingView. Simply click on here and download these files. So the files are getting downloaded. So this is the file. This is the zip folder that got downloaded. We'll open this, and here you will find files to copy in include folder and files to copy in export folder. So what are these include and export folder? Let's find out. So come back to MT4. Here you'll go to file option here and click on open data folder. When you click here, click on MQL4, and here you will find export folder and include folder. So in the other, so you can find files to copy in include folder, just copy these two files and paste it in the include folder, and for the files to copy in expert folder, copy these two files and paste it in the expert folder. So I've already done these two steps, so I won't require to do that again. Now go to tools and after that go to tools and come to expert advisors. After clicking on options, you will find this box here and you'll have to click on allow automated trading here and then click on OK. Once you have done that, you will go to the navigator and in expert advisor, you will click refresh. Once you have clicked on refresh, you'll find chart trader 2.0.1 here, which is the expert advisor for integration with API bridge. So you'll just drag it to the chart and change the settings. So for example, instrument here is equity. I'll change this to footcom and I'll just click on OK. So now you can see we had LE, LX, SESX button in TradingView. Similarly, we have long entry, long exit, short entry, short exit buttons here in MT4. So now suppose if I have to manually send a signal from MT4, I'll click on long entry. But before that, what I have to make sure that the symbol that I see here, it should be the same symbol added in API bridge. So so the symbol here is SIL MIC #. So the same symbol should be here in API bridge. So I'll add it SIL MIC #, and here I'll add silver MIC and rest of it got automatically filled. After this, just click on save configuration. Also assign a strategy tag, which is important to at least have something here. Now after you have done this, click on save configuration. Now if I want to manually send signals from here, I'll just click on long entry and you can see we received a signal and our order got placed, which actually did not get placed because we saw a rejected sign here because of the less balance. So we can see our rejected orders here in order history. So if there will be a running position, you will be able to see it in net positions, and if there will be a close position, it will come up in trade history. So I can also show you net position and trade history tabs. For that, I'll just switch it to paper trading. If you want to test anything, you can just switch to paper trading, click on start trading, and now we can send signal. So you see we received an error code here that signals with same parameters ignored. Now why did we receive it? Because we here had clicked on skip consecutive signals with same values. We had ticked on this signal rule. So I'll just untick this and I'll send the signal again. And you can see in paper trading mode, it says signal received and order got placed. So now I can check it in net positions. Here my net position says that I have a position in silver. Now if I want to close this position, I'll click on long exit. And you can see now nothing is appearing here because my position is closed, and it will be seen in trade history. So this is how the paper trading mode works. You can test your strategies in paper trading mode. Now I'm switching back to default mode. That is the live trading mode. It is just a matter of few clicks. Now what we are going to do is we are going to deploy a strategy in MT4. So there are 23 strategies that are readily available for automation for MT4. So for that, what I'll do is I'll go to FAQs, MT4, MT5, algo trading. You'll have to click on this link here, and here you will find a list of 23 strategies for MT4. And if you are an MT5 user, you'll find a list of 20 strategies here. So now if I want to deploy, say, Bollinger Band strategy or accumulation distribution strategy. So let's go with the Bollinger Bands for now. In Bollinger Band strategy, you can again see all the instructions regarding the strategy is mentioned here, and all the step-by-step instructions are mentioned. I've already followed all these steps, so I won't have to do it again. After you have followed all the steps, in Expert Advisors, you will find Bollinger Band Expert Advisor here. You'll have to just drag it to the chart and manage the settings here. So here is an additional feature. Now you can select the kind of signals you want to receive. If you want stop and reverse signal, you can click on it. If you want long only signals, that is only buy signals you want to receive, so you can click on long only. If you want to receive only short signals, sell signals, then you can click on short and only. And if you want target and stop loss along, you can click on target and stop loss. So right now I'm keeping it to stop and reverse. In instrument, you have to make special care of this. So if you are using if you are trading in footcom, then you have to select footcom here, and you can change the parameters of Bollinger Band here. So I'm reducing it to the minimum possible, so so that some quick signals get generated. So now I have deployed Bollinger Band strategy on the chart. After you have done this, you'll have to add Bollinger Bands indicator as well. So in indicators, you'll find Bollinger Bands here. Drag it to the chart as well, and make sure that the parameters that were there in Expert Advisors, you have to put the same parameters here. So period 5 and standard deviation I had chosen was 1. So you have to make sure that the parameters of indicator and Expert Advisor are same, so that the signals will match with the Expert Advisor. So now you can see whenever we'll receive a signal, our order will get automatically placed. Although we'll receive a signal, it will get rejected because of the lack of balance, but we'll still receive the signals on the basis of the strategy. So we had received a short signal here, and then it was received in API bridge, order was placed, it's showing order was placed, and if we check in order history, it got rejected because there is no balance. So similarly, you can deploy other strategies as well and try out them in live market on Monday in equity, because if you are testing a strategy, it is advisable that you put minimum capital in it. So this is it with MT4. To get started with algo setup with MT4, you'll have to download and set up MT4 if you don't have it already. Then jumpstart MT4 with API bridge. Choose your strategy, apply MT4 settings, API bridge settings, and start algo trading. So this is a very easy step. Now I'll show you what is the process flow in algo trading. API bridge, as the name suggests, it acts as a bridge between the charting platform and the broker API. So what we do is we connect API bridge to the broker API and to the charting platform. We deploy our strategies on the charting platform, and then the signals are sent to API bridge on the basis of our strategy, or if we can send the signal manually, then the signals are sent to API bridge. In API bridge, we have done order management, strategy management, risk management, portfolio management settings here, all the settings here, as I had mentioned earlier. So you'll do all these settings in API bridge. Then API bridge will send that particular signal to the broker trading terminal with the additional layer of settings that we have applied in API bridge, and our order gets placed. And this happens really fast. This whole process happens really fast, and as soon as we click, our order gets placed within a matter of, it is a matter of seconds, not even seconds. It happens with under 1 second or 50 microseconds. Now coming to the next slide, which is, let's discuss some benefits of algo trading. So we just see how algo trading terminal will work. That is how API bridge will work, and how you can connect it with two of the charting platforms that are available and that are really famous in the market. So I also wanted to tell you that why TradingView. TradingView can, if you are new to the market, if you are new to algo trading, then you can get started with TradingView, because for TradingView you do not have to pay anything. You can start algo trading even with the free version of TradingView. Moreover, you get free live data in TradingView. You do not have to pay anything for the live data. So if you are new to algo trading, you can go for TradingView, and you will find numerous strategies that are readily available for automation. That is in TradingView connection. So you can find here we have 46 strategies that are readily available for automation, and there is free live data in TradingView. So you can get started with TradingView for free. But if you are already a user of MT4 or any other charting platform like ME Broker or Excel, then you can go for it as well. You'll find links to connect it with here in the index. If you want to connect API bridge with Excel, you can click here. If you want to connect API bridge with AMI Broker, you will click here. And if there is some other platform, you can click on other connections. Now let's discuss the benefits of algo trading. First is saves time. It saves a lot of time, because now suppose if you have a strategy and you are manually trading. If you are manually trading a Bollinger Band, what you will have to do is you'll have to sit in front of the PC all day long, and whenever you will receive a signal, you will go and you will place your order manually. So it takes a lot of time and energy. Now, if you have done your automation, if you have just deployed your strategy on the chart and done the automation part, you can just leave your system and do some other work while your strategy will be followed, and your order will get placed automatically whenever a signal will be received. You will not have to worry about anything. So it will save a lot of time for you. It saves money. How does it save money? So let's see. Now, most of you might have heard about slippage. So a lot of traders lose money in slippage. Now, for example, your chart says that you were supposed to buy. So you can see we just received a signal, and if you were trading manually, your order wouldn't have got placed right away. But right now we have deployed the automated strategy, so our order got placed as soon as we received the signal. But if you were trading manually, you would have received signal now, and then you would have gone to your trading terminal and then you would click buy, and then your order would have got placed. So by the time your order gets execute, it would have been 3 to 4 minutes, and at the price at which you wanted to buy, it would have been skipped. So this is what we call slippage. So a lot of people lose money in slippage, and by algo trading we can avoid losing that money. So money saved is also money earned. So we save a lot of money that is lost in slippage through algo trading. Then next is it minimizes emotions. So obviously your emotions will be minimized because you have deployed your strategy on the chart. Your automation will, your automated system will place your orders manually. So you don't have to sit in the front of your system all day, and you will be least likely to interrupt your system when you have deployed your strategy and when you have deployed your automated strategy. So your emotional play will be minimized. Then it inculcates discipline. So there are a lot of people who find it difficult to follow their strategy. So if you are doing algo trading, then you do not have to worry about that, because you will be able to follow a discipline, since you don't have to interrupt anything on the chart, or you will be following a discipline. So, and your emotional play will be minimized, which will automatically bring discipline to your trading, and you will be able to follow your strategy. Next is intellectual engagement. Now, if you have been in market for quite long, and even if you are new to the market, you'll read more about it. You algo trading, you'll learn something new. So it will increase your intellectual engagement, and as you'll test and try strategies, and you'll learn a lot more new things in the market, and it will keep you up to date with the trend also. So it increases your intellectual engagement. Then minimize human errors. So since the system is automated, the chances for human errors are very less. Sometimes you double buy or double sell your stocks. So all of these can be avoided when we have an automated system. Then reduces gambling tendency. So Indians love to gamble a lot. So you all know that recently there was test match going on. Uh, so a lot of people were gambling there. Gambling is a general tendency. People love to gamble a lot, and Indians especially love to gamble a lot. But that gambling doesn't have to be there in trading, because it involves a lot of money. And if you can follow your strategy, if you can uh, follow a system, if you can do algo trading, then you will not have to gamble. You will be following a strategy. You will not just sit in front of a naked chart and you will see यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ से नीचे जाएगा. तो वो आपको नहीं करना पड़ेगा. आपकी जो गैम्बलिंग की टेंडेंसी है वो कम हो जाएगी. आप अपनी स्ट्रैटेजी को ही फॉलो करेंगे. Now the next is diversified trading. So you can trade in multiple stocks and multiple strategies. You can trade one single strategy in different stocks. You can trade different strategies in one stock. So there is a lot of diversification options available when you are doing algo trading, because you just have to deploy your system on the chart. Next is complex strategies. So if you are doing algo trading, you can follow complex strategies as well. So if you have a complex system, what you have to do is you just have to get it coded. If you have a complex strategy, just get it coded and deploy it on the chart. You won't have to sit in the front of your system, and your complex strategy will also work. It will automatically take place orders. So you can deploy complex strategies as well. So these are some benefits of algo trading. And you can start algo with zero cost. If you are new to the market and you want to test and try things, you want to test and try the API bridge software, you want to test this algo terminal, so you can try it for free. Just register for paper trading mode, and you'll be able to learn how to trade system. And if you have been trading manually all this while, it will be easy for you to switch to algo, as it does not involve any cost for the beginners. Just sign up for your paper trading and sign up with TradingView, and just deploy your strategy on the chart and learn how to trade with system. So this is one of the major benefits for API Bridge users. You can even learn it for free. Now the next is custom strategy coding, which is the other service that we provide. Now, if you have a strategy, if you are a user of MT4 Excel or TradingView, and you have a strategy, you want to get your strategy coded, then you can contact us through, just a minute, mycoder.pro, or you can just see coding help here. When you'll click on this, you'll be redirected to mycoder.pro. Mycoder.pro, in mycoder.pro, we'll code and deploy your custom strategies for you in Excel, TradingView, or MT4. And here is the process, how it works. So this is the strategy development process. First is technical consultation. So first you will fill the form here. You'll click on engage my coder, and you'll fill the form here. And after that, a technical consultation will happen. Our development experts will take your consultation session, where you will be telling them about your strategy, what is the premise of your strategy, and then your scope of work will be discussed. After that, it will be finalized, as in, we'll finalize what kind of strategy you are looking for, or how do you want to get your strategy coded. Then your scope of work will be finalized, and then your code delivery and training will happen. After your code delivery, you will also be given a training session, as in, you will be taught how to deploy your strategy on the chart in the training session. And even after the code delivery, if you will have to do any modification or optimization in your strategy post delivery, then that service is also available, and code delivery will be done as per the timeline given to you. So this is the custom strategy coding service that we provide. If you have a custom strategy and you want to get your strategy coded, you can just get in touch with us through mycoder.pro. So this is it with today's webinar. I hope this was informative.